In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to name a version in Google Sheets using version history. This is a simple but powerful way to mark important milestones in your spreadsheet so you can easily reference or roll back to them later without guessing which edit was which. Start by opening your Google Sheets document. Make sure you're in the file you want to work with, because version names apply to this specific spreadsheet. Once your sheet is open, head to the top toolbar and click on the File menu. This is where Google Sheets keeps options related to your document's history and control. From the File dropdown, move your cursor to Version History and then click on See Version History. When you do this, a panel will appear on the right side of your screen. This panel lists versions by date and time, showing you when changes were made. It's essentially a timeline of your document's edits, and it helps you quickly locate the moment you want to label. Take a moment to look through the list and find the version you want to name. You don't need to open it or make changes here, you're just identifying the right point in time. When you've found the one you want to label, hover your mouse over that version entry. You'll see 3 vertical dots appear next to it. This is the More Options menu. Click those 3 dots and then select Name this version. A text field will appear where you can type a clear, descriptive name. Enter a name that makes sense to you and your team, such as Final Draft or Report V1. Concise, consistent names make it much easier to recognize milestones later. When you're happy with the name, press Enter to save it. The version will now display with your custom label in the History panel, making it easy to find again. A couple of quick tips to keep things tidy. Use a naming pattern like project name, V1, V2, or add a brief note such as before formatting or after data import. You can rename versions later if your needs change, and naming doesn't lock the file. It simply helps you track progress. That's all you need to do. By opening Version History, hovering over the right timestamp, choosing Name this version, and pressing Enter, you've created a reliable breadcrumb in your project's timeline. Thanks for watching, and feel free to repeat this process at any key checkpoint to keep your work organized and easy to navigate.